How to recover a hacked Facebook account, step-by-step guide. If your Facebook account has been hacked or compromised, act quickly to secure it. Here's how you can recover a hacked Facebook account. Step 1. Go to Facebook's hacked account recovery page. http://www.facebook.com/hacked. Click My account is compromised. Enter your email, phone number, username, or full name linked to your Facebook account. Step 2. Identify your account. Facebook will show matching accounts. Select your account and enter the last password you remember. Step 3. Reset your password. If the hacker changed your password, click Forgot Password. Choose an option to receive a reset code, email, phone number, or another method. Enter the code and create a new strong password. Step 4. Secure your account. Once logged in, go to Settings, Security and Login Review all active devices and log out from unknown sessions. Change your password again and enable two-factor authentication. Step 5. Check for suspicious activity. Look in your activity log for messages or posts you didn't make. Report suspicious content and delete it. Revoke access to any unknown apps or browser extensions. Step 6. Report the hacked account if you can't log in. If you're unable to access your account, go to https://facebook.com/hacked. Follow the prompts to verify your identity using your ID or account recovery options. Pro tips for future protection: use a strong and unique password. Turn on two-factor authentication. Settings and security: don't share login info. Regularly review your login activity and connect